Hi there. Have you ever wanted your computer to do something again and again? Like count down from 10, print stars, or say hello a bunch of times? That's where loop come in. A loop is like giving Python an instruction and telling it, do this again and again. It saves you from writing the same line of code many times. This is a for loop. It tells Python, repeat this code for 5 times. Each time, it prints hello on the screen. Let's break it down. Range parenthesis 5 says, repeat 5 times. I is a counter. It changes each time the loop runs. Inside the loop, whatever is indented, Python repeats. We can also use the counter I. Here, Python will print numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One number each time the loop runs. Here's the fun one, printing stars. The loop repeats the print command 5 times, so we get 5 stars. Time for a quick quiz. What do you think this will print? Take a guess. Let's see the answer. Answer is Python is fun will print 3 times. Awesome job! You just learned how to use loops, one of the coolest parts of Python. Now your programs can repeat things as many times as you want. Next time, we'll make Python think. You'll learn how to tell Python, if this happens, do that, otherwise do something else. It's going to be great. See you there. If you had fun today, hit like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's keep learning Python together on Code Quest Chronicles.